Tranquility is all yours in this multi-generational home. It's ideally located on nearly 8 acres on the middle fork of Beaver Creek. From the moment you enter this expansive property, you're greeted with multiple areas to relax and take in the serene setting. It's easy to escape to your private wooded oasis. Follow the long, gently winding trail to your own piece of paradise. Directly to your private hideaway with numerous spaces and sitting areas to enjoy the creek frontage. It's also within walking distance to Sam Barlow High School. The covered front porch invites you inside, where you'll find 2 family living setups, ideal for multi-generational living. And dual kitchens, a double dishwasher, and abundant natural light, with peaceful views from every window. This home of nearly 3,000 square feet has gracious living spaces for entertaining or just relaxing. Enjoy 2 gas fireplaces and the convenience of a second kitchen area. It's near the main level primary bedroom suite with direct access to the deck and hot tub. Complete with its own full bath. On the upper level, another primary bedroom suite has high ceilings, a sitting area or office space, and access to a private deck where you can enjoy your morning coffee while watching the wildlife. And it has its own bath. You'll find 2 more oversized bedrooms on this level, extra storage space. And another full bath. The expansive deck overlooks the peaceful scenery and is ready for large or small gatherings. Enjoy numerous fruit trees and bushes, hundreds of rhododendron bushes and other flowering plants. A charming shed is ready for your hobbies or storage. And of course, there's plenty of room for your garden. The shop is also ready for all of your toys. Savor the best in Northwest living. It's all here ready for you to call home. For more information or your own personal tour, please contact Brian or Greg Whistler with Premier Property Group.